Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be about this hair. I wish it was about the makeup too because it turned out so cute. But we're going to talk about the hair. My hair turned out so nice, so soft. Originally, I was going to keep it just on the gram, but I was like, somebody needs to see this, okay? I got a haircut not too long ago, so we're going to start talking about that, and then we'll talk about the style. So if you're interested, then keep on watching. Slid in her DMs asking her a question, and I love that she actually answered, because you know how these like stylists be.
I know how
I want to gossip. So I don't know if you know, but the Gen J color era is done. It's finito. I took matters into my own hands at first and cut off all of the color tips. But my hair was kind of boring, uneven, and I had the opportunity to see a stylist, and I was like, you know what, God? You know what, Jesus? I'm not gonna question you, Lord. So I went and saw her in Toronto, and she did my hair, and it turned out so soft. And then I was like, I need a grown and sexy cut, okay? I just felt like my hair was pretty boring, and it was pretty uneven anyway. So you know me, in classic Gen J fashion, we just went off. Girl, when I mean chop, we chopped. You see this angle that she gave me in the back of my head? Do you see the angle? I know you see it. And you know what? It's almost like magic when you go and get yourself a tapered cut, how much volume it adds in the middle of your head. It's crazy. It's like magic. Anyways, this is my grown and sexy cut. And then it was time for me to do my own hair, you know? It's good to get stylists to play in your hair once in a while, but then there's nothing like you washing your hair yourself, putting on a nice playlist, whipping out some of your favorite products, and getting it done. And of course, we already know water is key. Water is our best friends. Shampoo is how you get your hair hydrated. So that's what we did. I went in with my Moisture shampoo this time around and gave myself a nice wash. So I don't know if you heard, but I'm trying to actually grow my hair out. Not that I'm pressed for it, you guys know how I am with length, but I really want to give my hair a chance to grow and flourish without me using any oils and butters. So of course, if you're in the same journey, I would love for us to connect and talk and check in with one another. But basically, I went in and gave myself a really good shampoo twice. As much as we're told to stay away from shampoos, to use something that is not stripping or light or gentle, what I'm realizing is my hair actually like to be shampooed, and it feels nice. Of course, I don't feel the coating. Of course, my hair is not greasy, but it feels like my hair. I feel like I've gotten to a new level when it comes to my hair, where I have discovered my true surface texture, because my entire life, I've basically been covering up my hair in oils and butters. And of course, that's what we all did at the time. But now that I'm on this new journey, I'm realizing that making peace with your surface texture is a whole new level of loving and accepting your hair. So yes, I want to feel my hair, and I want to feel it clean. I want to feel it stripped of all the dirt and gunk and products that I used the past week. And then once my hair is clean and I go in with my conditioner, and you already know the best way to condition your hair is to add more water. So once the conditioner does its things, it softens my strands, it seals in the hydration that I get from the shampoo, it's so easy for me to detangle my hair. Girl, if you've been around and you watch my channel, never in my life will I wash my hair without sectioning it first, without pre-pooing first. There's so many different steps that I used to do, and now I don't have to do any of it. And on top of that, my hair feels so good. I don't have to re-moisturize during the week. I don't have to do anything to it. I just have to make sure that I get a good shampoo, a good conditioning session, detangle my hair. And if I do this on a weekly basis, I don't have to fight my hair to detangle it the next time around. This is such an interesting journey. And up close, this is what my hair looks like with absolutely no products in it. It's not very shiny. It looks coarse. That's because my surface texture is rough. Anyways, enough lecturing you. I am going to do a style this time around. And I haven't really styled my hair in a while. I've been doing wash and goes back to back. So I was very excited to do this. I used the Moisture cream. All the products that I use, I will link down below. And I basically just run this one product through my hair. And mind you, my hair is still fairly short. So it was difficult to grab the back. I didn't even realize how ambitious my goals were to flat twist my hair until I started flat twisting my hair. I was like, oh, okay, we're gonna do our best with this flat twist. So that's what I did. I grabbed sections of hair. As you can see, the very back of my hair is still pretty short, so it was pretty hard to grab, but I just did the best that I could. So I pop in some flat twists all over my head. And if I had to do this again, I would probably split my hair in two, so part from ear to ear first, because as you will see in the final results, the very front of my hair ended up curly because I added the perm rods, but then the rest of my hair was more on the straighter side because it was just flat twisted. If I had did sections, then I would have a curl all over my head. It didn't really bother me too much, and of course Strength Hitch came to the rescue, but I'm just letting you know in case you want to recreate this style. The very sides of my hair is untwistable. I was doing the most at first, thinking that I could do a little bit of like finger coils, and then I was like, not today. Not today, Satan. So the next day, I went ahead and used a little bit of the cream once again to take down to twist. Just a little bit on my fingers. This isn't really necessary, but I kind of felt like it was at the time. I thought that I needed to do it, and my hair felt so nice. Once your hair is hydrated, it's going to feel differently. It's not going to feel greasy. It's going to feel like a soft cloud. I really don't know how to describe it, but it's a feeling that I would love for all of us to experience one day. I think we associate greasy hair with moisturized hair. When I think back over my hair journey, I did the same too. And my hair was always greasy, and it wasn't even something that bothered me at the time. Oils were all over my pillows, dripping down my face, and it didn't really matter because I thought that that's what needed to happen for my hair to be soft and moisturized. But now, I don't need to have greasy hair to have soft hair, and my hair remains soft the entire week. I don't have to re-moisturize. I don't have to spritz my hair midweek. I don't have to add some water to my hair. I don't have to do anything. My hair will stay soft until I wash it again. Of course, after 7 days, it gets a little bit questionable, which is why it's good to stay on top of your routine. But the fact that I don't have to do anything at all, it's beautiful to me. And those are my final results. Okay, Jen. I wish you could touch my hair, but you can't. But I wish you could. My hair feels great. It feels soft, and I really enjoyed this wash day routine, which is why I decided to share it here on YouTube as well, and not just Instagram, because you know, y'all are the real day ones. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let's talk, let's chat. How's your hair journey going? Are you using oils or you're not using oils? Regardless, are you taking care of your hair? Are you taking care of the self, the body? Okay, that's what matters. Leave a comment down below, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.